Hey, I'm Steve, and this is Mr. Siga Soap Dispensing Dish Brush. I wanted to show it to you before my wife started using it. So one of the main things I think she ordered this is because of this stand right here. Our old one didn't have that stand, so she liked that, so she ordered it. So I think she's going to be pretty happy with this dish brush. Now the handle on this is kind of a rubbery type feel grip. Really like that. The brush head just snaps on real easy, and it's also easy to take off as well. Unscrew the bottom of the handle to add your soap. The handle has this thumb plunger right there, so that will squirt soap into your brush. I've added soap, and that little thumb plunger works great. Of course, I have to do a test wash. Cannot show you this video without a test wash, and it works perfect. So if you're looking at this Mr. Siga soap dish brush, I hope you found my video helpful.